How to get Subway promo codes and vouchers. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can get Subway promo codes and vouchers. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to download the Subway application from your app store. To unlock all of the deals, you have to log in into or sign up or create an account. So once you're into the application, you can head over to Deals tab, where you will find list of promotions like buy one get one free, ship free, and all other options such as drink. So you could also check various deals from the Deals tab. If you want more promo codes, then you could close the Subway application. Then you could head over to Google in your device. So open up Google, and in the search bar, you could search for Subway promo codes. Scroll down a bit and there are some links such as Retail Me Not, Coupon Follow. You could head over to one of the link from there. Here you have a various coupons code that you can use from. Scroll through it, tap and see details, and you will have details regarding the promo code. You could simply copy the code and then head over to Subway and redeem your code. If not, simply tap and redeem at Subway and that will directly take you to the redeem page at Subway where you can redeem the code. If you head back here, you could have multiple offers or multiple coupon code under the coupon follow for the Subway. So you could scroll through it and then see the details and then use the code. So these are some of the way to get the Subway coupon codes and use them. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.